Hello, guys. Welcome to the stream, boys. Welcome to the stream. How are we doing, guys? How everybody's doing? Yesterday was shitty day. Let me tell you, yesterday was shitty ass day. Hopefully today is good though. Hopefully. By the way, payouts are updated. Now we are sitting at $57,500 altogether here. I must have spent somewhere around $8,000, $9,000 altogether. बस मजा में क्विज भाई. You got new ones? No, I Tradeify वाले सुबह कुक कर दिए मैंने. I'm gonna give you update future के. Let some everybody get in. फिर तो ये बोलेगा कि खराब अपडेट देता है पहले स्ट्रीम के and then अच्छी सबके सामने बोलता है. I'm gonna accept what I did. And yes, to answer your question, hi bro, tried my best training. It's fine, training. It's fine. Chill out. You don't need to worry about that. Namaste, Vilas. Welcome. I hope everybody learned something from yesterday's stream. Yesterday's stream was, I guess, one of the best stream I ever did, and I think I dropped the most sauce in terms of how to trade and how not to trade. I hope everybody took some lessons out of that and traded well. बड़ी जल्दी आ गए सर. हाँ, क्योंकि मैं जल्दी चला जा रहा हूँ ना, तो जल्दी आ जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि then I need to get to the home which is like 1 hour away from this place. So yeah, I need to have dinner as well at home. एशियन सेशन आई गॉट कुक क्लाउड जी. मैंने उसको नहीं, मैं कुक हो गया आज. My spending have been too much on the Tradify at this point. We're gonna do the math on that today. I will have to take one payout really soon. भाई डिलीट कर दो कल का लाइव कॉल का. क्या विलास भाई? रीजन फॉर दैट? From which state are you from? Gujarat. Road to 3K, let's go. Yes sir, we need 600 subscriber. I guess 600 भी नहीं, 600 भी बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Do we need 600 or not? How many subscriber we need? Oh, only we need 51 subscriber, guys. We need only 51 subscriber. How about we speed it up? Subscribe everybody. Let's get to the 3000. ऑफिस में ही करता. सत्संग में अगर सुबह एशियन सेशन में ट्रेड करता हूँ तब मैं घर पे होता हूँ, तभी करता हूँ. आज आई वॉज आउट ऑल डे. आई जस्ट गॉट टुडे हियर. सो या. Did you try Lucid Direct? They are not better as Tradify. Lucid Direct, by direct account क्यों परचेज कर रहे हो? If you have not taken out $100,000 in payouts, do not try direct. You're gonna get cooked very heavily. Do not try direct accounts. They are expensive and stuff. Okay. What's PI you marked? Okay. I got cooked in Asia and here as well at this moment as well, right? I was trying to go long on the NQ just because how we have pumped, and once it came back to 50% of this range, 50% of this whole range, I tried long, but I got cooked and I was too, I guess क्या बोलते हैं कि मैंने ऐसा लिया नहीं जहाँ पे लेना चाहिए था, right? So I got cooked there. I got cooked here as well. If you see 15 minute ये पूरा bullish structure बन गया था. We closed above that, so I took it this long. We did pump little bit and then I got stopped out pretty much. So I got cooked 2 times. So again, I'm just getting cooked this week so far. Let's see. My goal by the end of the week is to pass one set of funded accounts of any, okay, by spending minimum as much as like I can reduce. बैकअप मॉडल के हिसाब से बेस्ट टाइम कौन सा है ट्रेड करने के लिए? 9:30. आफ्टर 9:30 गो इन टू ट्रेड. बेस्ट टाइम इज आफ्टर 9:30 न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स to 11 और 12 जो भी गिन लो. 3000 सब्स पे कुछ स्पेशल तुमको बताओ, तुम बताओ क्या करना है. 3000 सब्स के सब्स के बाद हम वेबसाइट लॉन्च कर दे. CloudZY, or we can give away big. I mean, big. We can keep big giveaways like 5-6 accounts. But वो होगा after 10th के बाद. I cannot do it right now. Any trades in morning? Trade भी गए, accounts भी गए. So yeah, I'm gonna explain it in bit. कोर्स लेके आओ हिंदी में. क्या करोगे कोर्स का? अभी मैं इधर लाइव ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ. जो तुम्हें कोर्स में मिलेगा वो सारी चीज इधर मिल रही है. एंड माई कोर्स ऑलवेज गोना बी एक्सपेंसिव. I don't get I don't sell my things for cheaper things because you know what value I bring. Mentor of your mentor. Kamagani. Bro, have you tried 15-second and 30-second? Or I have tried everything. I have tried 5-second as well. If you go back in 2023, 2024 live streams of mine, you will see I'm trading 30-second. Yeah, Karthik Mineral. That's what I am doing. I'm gonna shift to 50Ks now. Relax. 150Ks are just too much for me at this moment because I have so much confidence right now. So it's just that I need to settle down. I need to rethink the whole process, how it works out, and I just need to remind the suggestions I gave you guys yesterday. I need to cool down, get back on the track. I know that one payout will cover everything that I have spent, but I need to get to that payout because wasting time is not my thing. Okay, we are targeting somewhere around $30,000 to $35,000 this month, so we'll be on speed on year to achieve $300,000-400,000 in payouts. Okay, so I'm targeting that we should end up around 90K. Sorry, 87K, something around that. I do not have any funded accounts, by the way, at this moment. So again, I'm starting from zero. If you say expense for getting 57K payout, 7 to 8K, 8 to 9, let's say. On the higher note, let's just lock it in at 9K, $9,000. I am one who liked the stream. Thank you so much. You are the OG guys. You are the OG guy. By the way, Lucid is still 50%. Make sure you get it right now while you can. My bias, if I say true, if we do get a close above this, my bias is gonna be long. भाई मैं अभी पोस्टिंग करना स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. आप रील्स कैसे? अरे जो वो ट्रेडिंग वाली रील्स थी वो तो चलो एडिटर ने दी थी मुझे, बट जो नॉर्मल रील्स होती है मैं एक ही टेक में निकाल लेता हूँ दूसरी सारी ट्रेड. और जो 100K वाली रील्स है वो भी मेरे फ्रेंड ने दी थी. आई वुड नॉट से ही इज एडिटर और नॉट, बट या he is an editor, but I don't want to call him editor. He's my friend. So yeah, I'm bullish, to be honest. Nice. I'm also bullish, but I need strong closure. वो ट्रेड रिकैप वाले रील था, वो नॉर्मली बनाता था, वो एडिट नहीं थे, डायरेक्ट शूट करता था. Bro, can we scalp multiple times on Lucid account using only 20% margin? हाँ, कर सकते हो. Scalping is allowed. Karthik Mindal, you can avoid weak if you don't like it. सुबह 5 बजे ट्रेड कर सकता हो तो यू कैन टेस्ट इट आउट. सुबह 5 बजे की स्ट्रेटेजी कैसे काम करते हो. So in the last 2 days, let's say I have wasted $1,500 on the evals. I know, considering what kind of payouts I get, it is not a big amount, but I'm just wasting money at this point. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chill out, take a rest, also maybe one day off. I don't know. I do not like to be like on that thing where I take a rest, blah blah blah. I hate those stuff, but again, I need to chill out. And I'm looking at people online, they are taking shitload of money, they have payouts. So I'm pushing myself to do that as well, right? But again, I know that once I get back on the track, I'm gonna be killing the firms again. Aviva got 1068 USD payout from FX today. Not that $20,000. He got $20,000, not that much. I think he got bigger payouts. For 25K, 2 MES contract good, 4 MES. You फ्यूचर जिसके नाम में आ रहा है नाम, ओके, 4 MES will be good. Lucid Trading होली ऑफर कमिंग. होली ऑफर वो क्यों देंगे? होली ऑफर वो क्यों देंगे? 1:1 तक नहीं जाए तब तक कोई ब्रेक इवन का मतलब नहीं बनता. 1:1 के बाद ब्रेक इवन करना ही चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील लाइक. हेलो अनमोल, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. अभी लक्स का ट्वीट, अरे वो उसके हिसाब से कुछ दे रहा होगा ये. 50% से ज्यादा तो नहीं आ रहा. आई डोंट थिंक सो. So don't wait for it if you are waiting for something. I don't think so. 50% is ज़्यादा. As long as I know, I guess I get the news beforehand. I don't know if they are bringing something or not. I haven't got any news. नेक्स्ट फर्म कौन सा? पर भाई मैं 3 फर्म के साथ ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. अल्फा फ्यूचर्स, टीपीटी और ट्रेडिफाई. ES and NQ is way better. Vedic and Abhi ने कोर्स लॉन्च किया है. Yes, they have launched the course. Bro, your views on TT Trades? I never watched his video, to be honest, but I have heard lots of things about him. So yeah. Then 50K flex, how much contract? I use 5 micros or 1 mini, depending on SL. You are short on NQ? Okay, good luck. FS का नया plan? No, Lucid is still better, guys. If you compare everything, I would rate FX 6 to 7, while I would rate Lucid plans 9.9 out of 10. मैं आपके कोर्स के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ. यही है कोर्स अगर मैं लॉन्च करूंगा लोगों की शॉप बंद हो जाएगी. सो आई एम टेकिंग डी गेट साइड हिमसेल्फ. And my course will never be that cheap, to be honest. Because the value, again, if you are paying me $6,000, I will never be able to provide you that monthly or 7,000. And that's why the reason we stopped that monthly subscription wala cheez in September, October. Then we realized that we will not able to provide that much volume. I mean, in terms of monthly subscription, it is hard to see a value out there, but one-on-one is always expensive just because the kind of attention you get and blah 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 stuff. So yeah, that's where you get the value. Even if it's 1 lakh or 10x the money, you get the attention you need. Tarun Trade, it's your decision what to do. If you want to get fixed SL, you can give fixed SL. But I would say SL के हिसाब से रिस्क करो, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइज बदलो हर एक ट्रेड में, वही चीज है. ब्यूटीफुल Samir. Bro, start learning from ICT 27. No, there has to be some value in Sahil's course as well. I'm not saying there is not. There has to be. Oh, anyways, he's my student, so he knows lots of stuff that I taught him. ब्रो एक सेटअप पर डिटेल वीडियो अब विलास भाई कमेंट करेंगे, गोविंद भाई नहीं करना था आपको, ये पूछना नहीं था। विलास भाई रेडी रहते। अरे वो वीडियोस बनाई थी, अब क्या हो गया, लाइट जब मैं वेबसाइट लॉन्च करूंगा डायरेक्ट वो वीडियो उधर ही होगी। तो मैं वो अच्छी लाइटनिंग्स के साथ, वो सॉफ्ट बॉक्स लाइटिंग्स होती है वो मंगवाई है, वो आने मैंने दूसरी लाइट्स के साथ देखो, देख रहे हो ये सब कर रहा हूँ। तो वही चीजें आ नहीं रही है, चीजें इधर टाइम लगता है। और भाई तुम हर रोज ट्रेडिंग करते हुए देख रहे हो मुझे लाइव में, तुम वीडियो से ज्यादा इन्फो नहीं निकल पाओगे। इफ यू हैव बीन वाचिंग मी सिंस लास्ट 1 मंथ और वॉट एवर, यू विल बी एबल टू सी वॉट एवर वीडियो। मत करो लाडलो, मत करो यार। I'm not in trade, by the way. If somebody did ask that I'm in the buys or not, I'm not in the trade. By the way, are you guys loving the Lucid plans? Uh, did anybody took payout or not? Because I have been seeing lots of payout on my DMs. Are you one of those who watches me and took payout? 324 in eval today. Nice, nice. I'll be there very soon. Yeah. Now I buy one Lucid Flex with core game. Thank you so much. वीडियो अपनी 31 के आएगी मित्रों, आ जाएगी जैसे ही वेबसाइट लॉन्च होगी, तुम वेबसाइट से भी एक्सेस कर पाओगे। पहली चीज वो होगी, ओके, डोंट वरी। और मैंने बोला है कि जितने दिन लेट करूंगा उतने दिन एक एक कोड, एक एक डिस्काउंट ऐड होगा। तो अभी तक 4-5 दिन हो गए, तो 4-5 गिव अवे कर दूंगा, टेंशन मत लो। ओके, सो इट्स वे बेटर दैट आई डिले स्टफ, you will be able to win more, right? Thank you for using code Niranjan. Sometime you man. Website will be free, right? There would be a subscription. There will be a small charge of getting a consultancy call. Of course, we are not professional, but if you want any kind of suggestion, there will be a small 150 or $200 charge, just because I don't want to get spammed. Okay, if somebody is spamming me, they should be able to pay. And once you get through, and if you have genuine questions and you are asking the question you cannot find on the internet, and you will see I will give away that whole money to some kind of charity. I will donate everything. I will show you the, because I don't want that money. I just don't want to get spammed. So there will be a small charge. If it's, let's say मैं फ्री रखूंगा, तुम्हें पता है अपनी पब्लिक का पूरा स्पैम, छोटे से छोटे क्वेश्चन के लिए साले स्पैम कर देंगे मुझे और मेरे मॉड्स को। सो दैट्स अ बिग एफ। Website will be overall free. There will be no charges. Definition of small, 150 to 200. 200 rupees, if it's again, if 200 rupees is too much for you, okay, 200 rupees is too much for you. I don't think so. You should be trading with the prop firms. Not USD, not USD. 200 rupees. 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 Rupiye. गांधी जी. गांधी जी. बापू बापू अपने बापू हो. नॉट भाई यूएसडी. तुम एक कॉल के लिए 200 यूएसडी लूंगा क्या सालों. 50K funded per how much risk per trade? I take $600 risk. For you, if you are new, take less risk. 150 रुपया 200 रुपया जो भी है 199. $1-2 फीस. ओके डॉलर्स में. हाँ $2-3 फीस. भाई मैंने गोल देखा, गोल थोड़ा सा ट्रेड किया, गोल ने थोड़ा सा मुझे मारा, गोल ने थोड़ा सा पीटा, एंड देन बहुत कुछ और किया है. यस आई डिड ट्रेड इन द मॉर्निंग. लास्ट दिन जब मेरे 2000 बनाने थे ट्रेडिफाई के इवाल्स में, आई ब्लू देम. आई हैव विथ मी न्यू अकाउंट्स राइट नाउ. So in the last 2 days, I have blown 2 set of 5 accounts. So I'm bad traders. I am not profitable at this moment in December. वही ट्रेडिफाई मुझे ट्रेडिफाई चाहिए क्योंकि I can trust ट्रेडिफाई to be honest. Okay, I can trust ट्रेडिफाई. I'm overall profitable. I have already taken out $30,000 from ट्रेडिफाई last year. Okay, so I want to max out ट्रेडिफाई, get to the live. I'm collecting live accounts day by day. And then if I have 3-4 live accounts with every firm, I'll be able to take daily payouts just like a broker, but like bigger, $10,000-$20,000 a day, right? So that's gonna be great. While firm is earning from me, I am earning from firm. Overall, it's a great deal for both of us. Bro, can you tell me total accounts you bought in Lucid Run? अगर आप मुझे X पे फॉलो नहीं करते, मैं अभी कमेंट डाल देता हूँ. वहाँ पे पूरा ब्रेकडाउन डाला था मैंने, कितना स्पेंड किया है, कितना पे आउट निकाला है. मैं अभी वो पोस्ट की लिंक डाल रहा हूँ. You can go have a read at it. Okay. Where is the share button? There you go. Copy link. There you go. That's a link of the breakdown जहाँ पे मैंने लूसिड का जो पूरा रन था, वहाँ पे कितना पैसा, how much money I wasted on that run. OGB, then go find it. That's a link. What is basically moving to live? So once you reach the cap, pumps puts you on the SIM funded account, they move you to the live. Bro, what to do? I have blown 4 Lucid account in this month. Should be approach. What approach did you use when you blew 4 accounts? I guess I'll need to know that. But for me, it's always gonna be on high risk note if you understand how you're trading. But if you blow 4 accounts, you need to slow down now. Risk maybe $300-$400 a trade, not more than that. आपका कितना? माई लाइव बैलेंस विल बी $9,700. बट एस्क्रो अकाउंट ऐसे काम करता है गाइस. सो लेट्स से $10,000 गिन लो लाइव अकाउंट एंड 27. Okay, out of 27,000 I'm gonna get 10,000. Now 17,000 will be put in the escrow account. Now for every $10,000 I make on the live account, they will release $5,000 from that escrow account. So that's gonna be as a bonus. Not bonus, I earned that in SIM funded accounts, but again, that's the rule, right? So yeah. तो लॉजिक भाई, मैं लॉन्ग मार रहा था एनक्यू को, मैंने बता दिया. आई ऑल्सो गेव लॉजिक इन द स्ट्रीम जस्ट बिफोर यू केम इन मे बी. अभिषेक माल आई मीन वो सबके साथ होता है दैट यू फॉलो द रूल्स एवरी डे आई मीन एवरी डे ऑफ द वीक एंड वन डे यू गोना come in and then blow your whole progress. But remember that it is just a phase. You will realize that what mistakes are you making, and once you realize that, you're gonna improve on that and not go on tilt. This can be a mistake of you going slow, right? So if you wanna see, what I want to do always is I know there is a tilt coming. Knowing myself, I know there is a tilt always. I'm gonna let lose myself for after 15 days, 20 days of lock-in period. So what I do is like before that, I lock in those 15-20 days and get as many as payout as possible, right? And then on those days after I get one good winning streak, I'm gonna lower my risk. I know that it is coming. So yeah. I feel even one micro is no, there is no lower than that in flips. What account are you trading with if one micro is too much for you? हाँ तुषार ने जो बोला Lucid Flex why? Alright bro. Maybe you have different mindset than me. By the way, what kind of rewards you want, guys? Other than accounts that I'm gonna be partnered with, what kind of rewards? What else you guys need as a reward system where you can redeem those rewards through the GP point you collect for using my code game? मुझे 1-2 साल लगे. डिस्कॉर्ड एक्सेस हाँ वो बात हो गई है. आई विल हैव टू डू कोड आई मीन कोडिंग पार्ट थोड़ा हार्ड है उसका, वो मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा if that is possible or not. But yeah, that is done. मेंटोरशिप मैं इधर दे रहा हूँ हर रोज. गिव अवेज भी हो गए. वन ऑन वन कॉल एज अ रिवॉर्ड. वन ऑन वन कॉल फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ. Okay, Venom BMW, yes. If you purchase the number of worth, let's say you buy worth of $1 million के $1 million के अकाउंट परचेज करोगे, I will give you BMW. Done deal. How can I access Discord? It's paid or not? Right now it is paid. It is closed. Nobody is allowed in. Past Lucid and made $410 on the funded with your code game. Let's go, Mohit Patel. Beautiful trading, my boy. मेरे पास 2 ट्रैक्टर है, BMW नहीं है. If you wanna trade copy trader again, it's gonna be like trade thinker or trade copy. But we are opening in 10 seconds, guys. We are opening in 10 seconds. Past 550k using your code. Beautiful purple look. Beautiful. Let's go. Market is open, guys. કેમ છો ભાઈ? મજામાં? You all are smart enough. Why and where I invest my money, you know that, right? I'm making TPs. हाँ मैंने बोला ना केवल मिस्त्री. It happens with everybody. Don't worry about it. You're gonna make it through. Let's see if we turn bullish, guys, from this bearish whole stuff. And if we do my bias, आज की स्पेशल बायस रख रहा हूँ लॉन्ग्स की. बट या 1-2 घंटे मून स्लो ओपन है क्या भाई? कौन सा स्लो ओपन लाडले? ये तो निकल चुका. 100 पॉइंट निकल चुका. Only exit, thank you SL kar. अरे यार एंटी यार. Done for the day, Srini. Srini took $10,000 trade today morning in his live account. Srini is cooking. I know my Rolex is coming from Srini. Made long $200. Beautiful guys. Everybody is profitable in this server or in this YouTube channel or YouTube stream. Other than me, everybody is profitable. Cartier, bhai. I would love Cartier. I'm just collecting watches from my students. Wow, that is crazy. No, not collecting. I'm literally begging at this point. Guys, if ES closes on this 15 minute, there can be a crazy long cooking, crazy long. I would say, made to $260. Yes, beautiful guys. But there is a lot time in closing this 15 minutes. We can be bullish this whole uh, NY session because if you see a liquidity, look at this kind of. Okay, you need to pay attention where liquidity resides. Look at this drop. People's SLR here, everywhere because they are in the shorts, right? So what we want market to do, we have swept the lows. We have swept this low. If you see this, we have swept that low. We are holding that low. And now if we do push higher, create MSS some kind of to the upside. Of course, it can go down from here. I'm not saying it cannot. But if you push from here, hold that structure and then start going up, I think we do take out those liquidity area. And that's there the source you need to trade. That is how you structure your trades. मत बोलो भाई. हर्षिल भाई ब्यूटीफुल यार, आ जाओ आ जाओ. उसके लिए मैं एड्रेस दे दूंगा, उसका टेंशन नहीं है. There can be a chop in the initial stage. We're gonna wait, chill out, relax, not gonna rush in. और ये बोलने के बाद मैं 2 मिनट में एक गंदा सा ट्रेड ले लूंगा. That's what I do, right? Happy Holi to everybody, guys. Happy Holi. Book 30 points in opening 15-second candle payout locked after getting payout. करता हूँ एक 5,000 की सुपर चैट. समीर भाई क्रेजी. समीर भाई सुपर चैट मत करना, एक और अकाउंट लो, उससे पे आउट लो, बहुत सारे पे आउट्स लो, 50 60 70 हजार के पे आउट्स लो, $70,000 के, एंड देन कम टू गुजरात. अभी भी मूवीज से भाई, मूवीज से सीखी. Okay, we are rejecting from that 15-minute FTG. We are not respecting it. Wow. We have taken out the highs on the NQ. This can be potential short. I'm going to try short, guys, here. Okay. It is a risky one, but I'm going to try it anyways. It's in my blood. It's a clear trade. Okay. We have taken out the liquidity. I'm just gonna give it 40-50 points stop loss. If it takes me out, it's all right. And I'm gonna target lows. Okay. This has to be a free trade. Don't tell me it is not. 20 my 22. So nah, it's gonna cook me, guys, I guess. It has swept the open trade, I mean opening candle. If I get cooked, I'm getting cooked too much, guys. Nowadays. I'll have to go review what I'm doing wrong. I was expecting a smooth transition to another firm, but it is not happening. And I got stopped out. Anti guys. I'm just not finding market pretty good to me. I'm just taking sheets after sheets after sheets. It's crazy how it is working. Today I was stuck to long bias, I guess. 3 SLs on the week on the stream. It's just so sad to see myself losing this much. Can be a long here, but I'm not taking it. I'm not taking second trade. Okay. This can be a long to the upside if you want to take it, but I'm not taking it just because I'm done. I'm just taking too many SLs. Just crazy how it is working out for me. I'm not gonna waste a penny more today. I don't know. It just market is moving like crazy now. I'm not finding it pretty good. And of course, the trade I don't take. It has to work out like this. And of course, I didn't the trade which doesn't work out or which works out. I'm gonna miss out on that. This is shit ass. You are gambler. तुम खुद सीख के आओ. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Thank you for your concern. But I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for your concern. Bro, your mods because maybe you are spamming. Don't spam. अरे चिल मारना ग्रीक भाई. चिल मार. आ गया ना वापिस. But don't ban him. Please rest in our VIP room. चिल मार ग्रीक भाई, तो अपना बंदा है. चिल मार. કેમ છો ભાઈ? નથી મજામાં હું. નથી મજામાં. नहीं नहीं अर्चिल भाई, वो पूछने का जरूरत ही नहीं है कितने पे आउट लिए. वो पूछने का जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि उसने कोई पे आउट ही नहीं लिया. हाँ, उसने कुछ पे आउट ही नहीं लिया. Why I'm taking shit this week? 2 days straight. आज दूसरा दिन ही हुआ ना कि तीसरा दिन है? हाँ, दूसरा दिन. अगर लॉन्ग्स में सोच, अगर इवन इफ आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी ट्रेड्स, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग वन एसएल for 2-3 days. If it's gonna take me out, it's gonna take me out. I'm just sticking to one trade a day while it is for now. I'm gonna slow down. It's taking too much toll. 50% अवेलेबल अगर तुमने दो अकाउंट नहीं ट्रेड किए तो. And even if I'm gambling, okay, I gambled so good that I made more than $500,000. Again, I'm not saying this just because I took a loss. I'm gonna say this when I'm taking a win as well. It is part of the game where I take a whole straight week SL, and I explained that yesterday as well. I'm gonna take SLs, and my losing streak are worse than my winning streak. But what I do is manage the risk good enough, and I play with prop firm game so good. So when I'm winning, I'm gonna win so big that one payout is gonna wipe this whole losses out. Okay. And the market has been chopping in the New York session. First 1 to 3 hours it's gonna do this, and then it's gonna start running. I don't know what's happening. That short was clean. We took out the highs here, if you see, and then it was the inversion on 1 minute, which is, but yeah, it's just not working out for me. But I'm not explaining anything. I'm just saying that it is what it is. I'm gonna blow multiple accounts, and that's why I think I spent $65,000, $75,000 last year to make $215,000 payouts. That's how I do it. I go aggressive. That's my whole thing. Don't listen to anybody. Dinesh, that's what I suggest. Don't listen to anybody. Do whatever the hell you want to do. And the reason, again, I'm not taking this because this is what NQ is doing nowadays. It's just faking and faking and faking and faking and faking. You can trade. You can trade if you can find good trades. Look at ES. ES is getting weak on this side. 15 minute is getting weak. It is gonna close. 5 minutes gonna close bearish block. We can see a reaction to the downside. It happens, Chetan. Maybe it happens. We cannot do anything around that. Sorry. Uh, Hopefully soon we'll be back in the winning streak. Your story inspires after that huge loss. How could you recover mentally? Mentally, I had never doubt that I'm gonna recover from that losses. It was mentally तो कभी मेरा weak था ही नहीं. Okay, mentally I was never weak. It was all about executions and how I plan things out overall. It faked both the people out. Inversing on 1 minute this, inversing 1 minute on this. It's just shitty ass thing to do for NQ. 30-second is working out probably better. Wow. Should we move to 30-second or not? वैदिक भाई बोले हैं अगर तुम दो ट्रेड लॉस कर रहे हो तो लगातार then you are not profitable. Yeah, it's fine. I'm not. I'm not. Who said that I'm profitable? I'm not profitable. Anything else, my boy? Who said that I'm profitable? Damn, someone buy. And I know he did not say that. And I know I did not say that. Few losses and audience औकात दिखा देती है. You know that. हाँ नेगेटिव आना चलता है क्यों नहीं. अरे तेरे बाप. ओ. मत करो मत करो. मत करो बैन मत करो. नहीं नहीं नेगेटिव आ रहा चलता है भाई बहुत सारे कर रहे हैं. No, no, I'm chilling, guys. I'm chilling. Don't worry. I'm chilling. I wanna see. I'm chilling. भाई got payout with negative आ रहा nice. Just a bad face. भाई 2 दिन face कहाँ से आ गया 2 दिन 2 दिन. uh, और मुझे to be honest मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Right? I'm gonna get hyper for 1-2 hours and then I'm gonna be done on the stream and I'm gonna go chill out with spend my money with whatever I made. Okay. So again, don't worry about it, guys. Follow whatever you want to. Yeah, I know. He's trying to rage bait me. So I'm just giving a little context to stream. Okay, stream can be boring because I'm taking a SL, so I need to give something else to the stream. So that's what I'm trying to do. On God, I did not take that. Fuck this. Yeah, Srini did take $9,000 trade. He sent me in the. Market is not working for my strategy right now. If I were in the 30 second, maybe it could have worked out for me because this 30 second, if you see 30 second के बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, I'm gonna remove everything for now. Okay. If you see this, shit. Come on. If you see this 30 second FPG, it inverted here. We took a shot, and then if it did take a shot there, I think this low would have been our break even. But in 1 minute, we got entry here. I mean, entry way here somewhere. And this long in 30 second here, 575 to the upside. So which is it? No, no, don't worry. I'm coming for everything. I'm coming for everything. Don't worry. You will see my winning streak as well. And you have seen it already. Yeah. You will see my winning streak. And I'll stick up your ass, my guy. Stick it up in your ass. All the profits. Don't worry. You're gonna see me in March. March nahi. May, June, July, and December. Okay. Come watch me on those months. Do you trade after this stream? No, most probably I will not have any accounts to trade after this stream. Right now, no. It can go up, but it got rejection from. Look at this price action. It's not going anywhere. It is everyday story. It's gonna chop around for now here, and then it's just gonna dump or do something, which I thought again. Okay, kidney account block here again. I still have little bit DD left in 5 evals. I do not have any funded. I'm trying to get to the funded. I'm wasting money in that. Hopefully, I get to one. Once I get to the funded stage, I know I'm gonna take payout. I'm gonna get serious. ब्रो प्लीज माय लूसिड अकाउंट आफ्टर मेकिंग रीसेट के बारे में बताओ क्या करना चाहिए या नहीं कितना टाइम हो गया अगर टाइम बहुत नहीं हुआ है तो यू कैन रीसेट प्रॉब्ली न्यू अकाउंट सेम ही प्राइस का प्राइस डिफरेंट हो रहा है तो रीसेट कर लो रीसेट से 2000 वापस नहीं आएंगे बट लेट मी टेल यू दैट और ट्रेडिफाई आई एम ट्रेडिंग विद ट्रेडिफाई राइट नाउ uh, any day to shift with no I'm not doing that Karthik Bindal. I'm not gonna look at the gold, guys. Let me just have a look at it. There is nothing to look at in the. Okay, gold में क्या देखो बताओ? Gold dumped. Wow, crazy dump in the gold. Beautiful. But I cannot trade gold. It's not my capacity to trade gold. How is Tradify? Is it good as Lucid? Yes, Tradify is good. That's why I'm trading with them. I trade most probably 3-4 hours actively in a day. For me, it's shitty now. Nowadays, I wake up, take losses, and go to sleep. Uh, Apex new plans, I haven't watched a lot, but people are not too excited about that. There's just hype from the affiliations and every people. But if you find those good, I'm not here to stop you from uh, buying those accounts. But I guess Lucid is still cheaper out there. If you compare it yourself and then find out, okay? Inversion works good. Works on the gold. Yeah, they can. I don't look at the gold that way. Again, nothing is working out for me. So gold देखने से कुछ ज्यादा होगा नहीं. I need to get my confidence back. It's just even after inversing, market is not pushing it. That's a question. And if it's not my day, I'm gonna take 2 SL. Just like in the second trade, it happened. So thankfully, I did not take the second trade. Stuck with one trade. But yeah. As by I know what you did, I'm just don't think about it too much. Take up positive things out of this that you got to the close to the payout. Yes, it is a mistake which you cannot make anymore. Take a lesson from here. Do not try to flip accounts while this is happening. While after 9:30, either do it before that and then after that. Okay. Bro, I want to be unprofitable as you. One day, guys, one day. If you blow enough evals, if you blow enough, if you take enough cheats from internet, maybe one day. Short, there does FX is shorting. Okay, good luck. I just don't find it this market anything. ES did not invert it. I mean, 15 minute. There was a big hell, week as big as week. I don't know how people are. I need to review. I need to go back I guess in next weekend and find out what mistakes I'm making. There are no mistakes, but again, I need to improve on this. I need to modify my strategy as per these strategies. I mean, as per this market. Maybe I'll do it. Modification. Few modification needed. That which highs I'm looking at, what I'm doing, blah 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 blah. Right. Then that 15 evals blown. I don't know. Let's see what happens next. I prefer Asia and then London. Asia just because how we open up with the gaps. I play around with the gaps. I do not trade gold, so I cannot give view on the gold. That would be like shooting in the dark, which is in the New York as well. I mean, with the Nasdaq as well. Just pure chop. Yeah, that's what I should have done, to be honest. Let me tell you. But मुझे entry late मिली थी. I was very late into taking that entry. My bad, guys. I'm not performing as good. I'm not that young anymore. Just shitting my pants every day, taking SLs. अगर ऐसा लगते ही नहीं सोचो. Should have been break even at the lows. But I was thinking that at least this low would have been my break even. But I need to review. That's what I need to do. Go back, review my trades, and see what I can find out. Thankfully, though, those all trades are on the stream. I'm gonna no risk, only reward. You know that. No SL, only TPs. Yes. Hopefully, this week after this, I need that. Regrets are for pushes. Shit happens. Deal with it. You talking to me? I've dealt with shits all over I mean, since I was born. I'm dealing with shit right now. Not in terms of losses, but in terms of chat. Beautiful. But look at this. It looked like it wanted to dump back into the range. It looked like it wanted to go up back into the range. What is this? Look at this 5-minute candles on ES. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna create a some kind of shitty ass price action now. But yeah, I know. This is nothing. I'm still what $47,000 in profit this year. Even if I say $10,000 wasted on the evals. How is life after big money? Not a lot of change. To see a drastic change in your life, I guess you will have to get to the $100,000 a month. But right now there are not lots of changes. But yes, you can buy small things like cars and stuff easily. How much I have to make minimum amount in my funded Lucid Flex to get payout? Today I just made 410. Minimum $1,000 you can make and withdraw $500. Why did you stop negative error? Because positive were working good. Vilas, yes, good. They weren't here when I was taking TPs. They just born today. They were born today, I guess. उनकी मम्मी ने डायरेक्ट इधर भेज दिया चैट्स में. Which country do you recommend? I do not recommend anything. I'm still in this country, in India. I love staying here. I'm not saying. What is buffer on Lucid Flex funded? There is no need to create any kind of buffer, so you can make $1,000 and withdraw $500. You are taking again, Krish, Shri, जो नाम है जो बोला कि bro you are talking about $100K इधर $100. You will, if you follow the plans and everything, you will see how fast you're gonna change. તમારું ઘર જોયું જોરદાર હતું, મહલ હતો નહીં? કहाँ ભાઈ, छोटा सा घर है हमारा. Smart money. Okay. Okay. Since I learned negative RR from you, I become a better trader. Okay. Nice, yaar. There is no buffer on the flags. Yeah, there is no buffer on the flags. There is no need to buffer. There is no need to create buffer. Guys, I'm gonna go off. We're gonna stay longer when I'm taking TPs because I'm not feeling. Look at this market. I don't wanna look at this market and see because I'm taking sheets. Okay, we can talk little bit more. But yeah, just close the day. Just close the day. I guess break लेने का मतलब नहीं बनता, but on stream maybe I'll have to be locked in. I'm not gonna talk to you guys for like before I need to come live little bit late, so I'm always locked in. So just before 8, and then we can go for a longer period of time. I will be locked in from tomorrow. Don't worry. No break from stream. We're gonna come back tomorrow as usual. You're gonna see me taking sheet load up. See, this is the process you need to look at and understand. I have been on the losing streak for 15-16 days as well. I've been on the winning streak for 37-38 trades, 38 days. So you're gonna see everything this year. You will see how I'm making this kind of money. You've been saying this since January. I think December I've been live. December, February, and this is March. So I've been very consistent on the stream. But again, you're gonna see shitload of losing streak, shitload of winning streak. Overall, taking big wins, taking big losses. 200 फ्लिप करते हुए भी हमने $10,000 गवाए, and then we have taken out bigger payouts like $15,000, $10,000 every week of the February month and January month. It's just we are about to get on the track soon. I just know myself that we're gonna get back on the track on the February, and we gonna be ending up more than $25,000 at least. That's what I promise you guys this March. Okay, even if I have to spend little bit extra on that, $2,000-3,000 here and there, I'm gonna do it. But making money is the only thing I know. Okay, and again, I do not fake anything. You see everything. Everybody has been seeing me trading live since 3 years. Okay, go find out my track record, how I come back from a losing streak. And even if I don't, nobody is paying for my YouTube stream. It is for free, so nothing to say there. If you learn something from your mistake, let us know. That's we're gonna discuss soon. I'm gonna review today what I've been doing wrong, and come back and see what we can improve on. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at this shit. how can somebody place a SL in this kind of market? Because it is somebody goes short, it is like 70 point up. It is somebody goes long, it is like what, retracement of 70 points. It just, it has been doing that. But yeah, I hope some bad apples spoiled it in never. Don't worry about that. Why not go on the 30 second? मैं गया हुआ 30 सेकंड पे, उस पे भी ऐसा लगे, बिलीव मी, आई एम जस्ट फॉलोइंग. हम यही सेम ट्रेड लेके जनवरी में और फरवरी में हमने टीपीस लिए, यही सेम ट्रेड्स लेते हुए हम ऐसे ले रहे हैं. सो आई एम नॉट गोना चेंज अ लॉट्स ऑफ स्टफ, गोना स्टे स्लीक. We need only one good payout to wipe out all the losses. So I'll see you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Peace.